Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sair. For all of those who don't know what I do, I make content on beauty, lifestyle and other stuff. So today I had to get ready, and today is my brother-in-law's engagement. I have to quickly get ready. I finished with all the day's work, so I have done my skincare, taken a bath, all of that is done, and now I thought I'll just sit and quickly do a makeup look. And I'm not planning to do something really fancy, but that's what I say, and that's not what I do. I think I've forgotten to speak English. कभी कभी हो जाता है, नहीं भूल जाते हो हड़बड़ में. Yeah, so अब मैं प्राइमर ले रही हूँ. ये वाला है, कहाँ गया, इबा का प्राइमर है. ये ले रही हूँ क्योंकि बिकॉज ये ना एक सॉफ्ट वाली फीलिंग देता है फेस पे, तो आई रियली लाइक दैट. तो मैं जूम इन करके कर रही हूँ. तो आफ्टर द प्राइमर मैं ले रही हूँ ट्रस्टी ओल्ड फ्रेंड मेबेलिन फिट मी. ये वाला जो स्पंज है मैं नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी, सो यू कैन गो हेड एंड बाय दैट. इट्स फ्रॉम एन इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर विच डील्स विद लैशेस एंड ऑल्सो इनक्रेडिबल स्पंजेस. तो आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हो. I will give you some other options from Amazon in case a plan था to head to Mysore after this function is done, because हम लोग आए ही थे वापस because of this function. And but अभी change of plans हुआ है क्योंकि my husband has been called to work, as in called to go to office. So he might have to report on Monday or Wednesday, and ऐसे सिचुएशन में एक दिन या 2 दिन में ऐसा जाना doesn't make sense. तो we guys are thinking कि हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे. That's the reason it took me quite a bit of time to get ready, because मैं मेरी बैग पैक कर रही थी and I was like okay जाना है तो फिर बैग्स पैक कर लेंगे. But the situation just changed when he called during his afternoon meeting, his boss. प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरी आधी चीज़ें मुझे मिलती नहीं है, तो मेरे साथ होता है. सो फॉर कंसीलर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ एले गर्ल का प्रो कंसील. मुझे ये कंसीलर बहुत पसंद है. द ओनली थिंग इसके बारे में बोलूँगी कि इसका जो एप्लीकेटर है आई एम नॉट दैट ऑफ अ फैन, बिकॉज it doesn't give me control of how much product I want, and usually a lot of it comes out which I don't like. Or is everything in India becomes expensive when it's come from abroad. Now I lost my sponge. मैं इधर देख रही हूँ तो it's just because मेरा जो मिरर है इधर है, as you can see. कल टिपिकली कोई एंगेजमेंट नहीं कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि कोरोना है, डायरेक्टली शादियाँ हो रही हैं, बट दे आर डूइंग एंगेजमेंट जैसे रोका नहीं होता है वैसे टाइप वाला घर पे ही. तो मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना है, बट बेस मेकअप तो करूँगी ना. ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टू डू बेस मेकअप, तो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. सीलर है, आई एम यूजिंग दैट so that it brightens up my eyes and my T-zone. It's next मैं क्या करूँ, यही होता है. whenever I come and sit here ना, मेरे को आधा टाइम समझ नहीं आता कि मुझे क्या करना क्या है, बट विदाउट कैमरा अगर मुझे बिठा दो मैं आराम से मेकअप करूँगी. इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा मुझे कॉन्शियसनेस हो जाती है एंड फिर मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मुझे करना क्या है. These are my world problems, by the way. यूज कर रही हूँ, ये निक्स का है, NYX का, तो आई एम यूजिंग दैट गुड बेस ऑन, ताकि मेरा आई शेडो टिका रहे एंड स्मज बहुत जल्दी ना हो, लाइक द कलर्स डोंट स्मज बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑयल दैट माई आईलिड्स लीव. ओके, आई हैव प्राइम्ड माई आईज. अभी मैं सेट करूँगी अपना फेस. मेरे पास एक लैक्मे का पाउडर फाउंडेशन वाला है. Gonna take hottie. I'm going to pack it. The reason why my pink I'm going through pink makeup is मेरा ड्रेस गोल्डन है, ज्वेलरी ग्रीनिश है, तो यू नो अगर आप सर्कल व्हील ऑफ सर्कल देखेंगे तो ग्रीन एंड पिंक कॉम्प्लीमेंट अ लॉट. सिंस माई ज्वेलरी इज ऑन द ग्रीनर साइड, आई फील दैट पिंक विल गिव इट अ डेफिनेट पॉप. तो ये एंड मेरे आईज ज़्यादा ज़्यादा होते जा रहे हैं. ये वाला शेड यूज़ करूँगी विच इज़ द प्लम बेबी, जस्ट इन द आउटर कॉर्नर, सो थोड़ा सा कलर बिल्ड हो. I'll take Makeup Revolution's this shade and I will just place it in the between of my eyes. I might try to cut this down a little bit, but so I just smushed both of those so it doesn't look too much. And no other eyeshadow having this particular shade, तो मुझे शेड बहुत पसंद है. एंड मैं इसको अपने आउटर कॉर्नर में प्लेस कर दूंगी. बार वाला यूज कर रही हूँ इन दिस शेड स्वीट स्कारलेट. आई एम एजुकेटेड, यू नो, इट्स जस्ट दैट कभी कभी मैं अपनी इंग्लिश भूल जाती हूँ. I don't know why I don't like to do contour too much. This palette, Master Chrome. खुल जा सिम सिम.
Oh, no, no.
Maybelline's used to give me such a beautiful lift in on my eyes that I never needed falsies, and I don't know, I have falsies but I don't like wearing them, so I'm going to try one more coat of them, give them the most volume I could, but this is how it is. I think I really love the way my makeup turned out. Tell me how you guys liked it. I definitely do. This might sound little bit too much, right? Let me just correct it. So guys, I was just doing a little bit of finishing touches. This is how my makeup looked like, and the outfit that I wore was a golden Banaras dress, and I wore Kundan jewelry, and I was running late, so left my hair open. If you like the makeup look, please do like, share and subscribe. I've taken few clips you can watch. So guys, we are heading out right now for the engagement, and we're on our way. We are going to Spring Petal Service Apartments, where my in-laws are present. Will be reaching, actually they're on their way from Mysore, so they'll be reaching there and they'll be staying overnight. So my in-laws are going to reach there, we are going to reach there, the groom is going to reach there, basically everyone's going to reach there, and from there we are going to the bride's place for the engagement. So I just wanted to give you an update, and I'll try to vlog as much as I can. As always, that's what I say, and then I don't vlog, but still I will try my best. So I'll keep you updated. Yeah, my husband's giving an update.
You won't have time to vlog anyway.
Yeah, I never do. I keep on running here and there, so I don't get the time. But I will definitely try, and if I do, I will add the clips. If I don't, I'll at least show you something of the engagement, I guess. And that's about it. As it is, I have shot the makeup look for this before, so I might add clips to that if I don't vlog properly. But if I do vlog properly, this will go on the separate video. So yeah, enough of talking, and let's get going. मैं आप लोगों को रोड दिखा रही हूँ, जो मैं 36 बार दिखाती हूँ. तो आई नो कि आप लोग बोर हो गए होंगे इस रोड से, बट अभी मेरे पास कंटेंट के लिए यही है, तो एडजस्ट करो. So guys, we have reached the place, and we booked two villas, like two apartments. About the apartments itself, they're quite huge and nice and spacious, but I found that the cleanliness was not there. In terms of the washrooms and all being cleaned and maintained, that was not there. So I have called the owner, but if he doesn't, I am going to blast him. But let me just show you how it looks like. This is the entrance of the second apartment. It's a good sized apartment, but the only problem is that I wish to be a little bit more clean, but nevertheless it's fine for a night stay. Windows open. ये केस उसमें रखती हूँ मैं. Alright, you guys, this is how the groom was welcomed, and just wanted to show you the little setup that they had done with flowers for the groom. It was a very cute function, like a warm function between the two families. This is the gifts that we had taken: some sweets and some clothes and the customary pan and the rings and all of that. So I hope you guys loved it, and until next time, stay happy. Bye. Oh, how can I forget food? Okay, I promise this is the last. Bye.